Turn it sideways. Okay, so I said I was going to eat a sock. I'm a man of my word. So I have here a wool or a cotton sock of some kind. I'm not going to eat the whole thing because I don't want to go to the hospital.
You gotta at least eat half of it.
I'm not going to eat half of it. I'm going to die. I'm going to cut like a section of it off. These are the worst scissors.
But they're bedazzled.
Well, they're terrible. Oh boy. Okay. Oh, this has like a lining. I don't want to eat the lining. Hang on. All right, I'll come back once I've cut out a piece. All right, so this is the piece of the sock I'm eating because a lot of comments were concerned for my health, and I kind of am too. So I'm just gonna eat like this much, and I'll be back once I cut it into other smaller pieces. All right, so this is the amount of sock I'm gonna eat. I cut up other pieces as well, but when I was going through and like cutting this up, I realized that this is probably not gonna be healthy. Why don't you flip the phone? So this is it. I'm gonna sprinkle this into my quesadilla, and I'll come back when I'm cooking it. All right. Some cheese.
That's all the cheese you're
I'm gonna put more cheese on it. Don't you worry. Some sock sprinkled in there for good measure. Cheese. Where'd you put the sock? Oh, you got it? Want to dump it in? I'll just spread this out a little bit. I don't know if I should have like cooked the sock first or if I should just eat the sock raw, but I guess
What do you mean cook it?
we're just going raw. Was this it?
Yeah.
This was it? Okay. This is manageable. I can do this without being hospitalized. More cheese. This is gonna have to be a fat quesadilla. Okay. So we're cooking.
Alright, you gotta get the other tortilla.
Why do I need the other?
Oh, are you flipping it in half?
Yeah, I'm gonna do it.
Okay.
I'm gonna do it in half.
Yeah, I guess.
All right.
You should do that though.
I should what?
Flip it. It smells like it's burning.
Right now? Ready?
Yes.
The cheese isn't even melted yet. All right, hang on. Oh yeah, there's some pieces of sock burning.
Oh.
That's what it is.
Understandable.
All right. We're cooking. I gotta get the barbecue sauce. Okay. I'm cutting it and there's like pieces of sock coming out on the knife. Oh, that
Son of a.
looks really unappealing. Wow. Am I gonna be able to even get this down? I hope so.
Looks like broccoli. Doesn't it?
All right. Got the barbecue sauce. I'm nervous. I'm like mildly nervous.
Stop thinking.
This is not sponsored by Brisk.
Yeah, don't do this, by the way. Don't try this at home.
Wait, show us the.
Oh, yes. Yeah. There's some sock pieces like all throughout it. Down the hatch.
Can you taste the sock?
Mm-hmm.
What does it taste like?
Tastes like sock. This is a terrible idea. I can like feel it while I'm chewing. Okay. It's going down easier than I thought. There's quite a substantial amount left.
Sock, what do you? Are you gonna eat the whole thing on camera?
I guess you can cut it. And we can come back when I'm
On
done.
the last slice?
Yeah.
Okay.
That was all sock, buddy.
Son of a bitch. This is really bad. Are you recording?
Yes, I was
Oh.
trying to wait for it to focus.
I see. So I'm going to admit defeat right here. Looking
Boo.
at this, it's just really unappealing, and I already feel my stomach starting to hurt. So I did what I could, but I'm gonna have to call it because I don't want to die. This is really fucking gross. But thank